Now I decided I'm going to go camping outside. As you can see, I have everything pulled down tight. Very, very little is coming in with the rain fly over it. I got that pulled tight. It's supposed to get down to a blistering 18 degrees. And my 10-degree sleeping bag. I'm gonna bundle up with it. And I got some nice treats here, some Debbie cakes and a bottle of hot warm apple cider. Let's see how this goes. It's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. And I'm looking forward to that. You can listen to the wind. You can see how windy it is outside. I'll take in, as you see, how it's just blowing the rain flies. That's kind of neat. It's just so windy out there. Nice. I'm all bundled up. I'm going to Velcro the top of this on. I may get me a little drink of this hot apple cider. It is really, really windy outside. So, I'm on call too. Not worried about it. If they call me, not like I'm going in. Not driving in this mess. They can figure that stuff out. Not my problem. Nope. But now I'll set my alarm and wake up in the morning and see how this goes. As you can see, this is just the peephole. Not much. And I'm gonna pull my hat over my face. I'm gonna go to bed. It's now 1 o'clock and it is 26 degrees outside. I've had to get out of this little shell here because I am blistering hot. God. One thing I didn't take account for was putting the pad down because I am cold when I'm laying on the ground. Because I'm just on the surface, you know. It's just this. And it's just cold. It's just also, yeah, it's not warm on the ground. But the wind is picking up and you can hear it. It sounds like it's raining. That's all it's been doing for the last hour. It's heavy, heavy snow. I can't wait to see when I open this up, and I'm gonna give it till about 3 o'clock, maybe 4. And yeah, that'd be cool to see. Oh, well, it is 3 o'clock. I'm gonna get up. I still have to go to work today. I'm gonna get up. We're gonna go outside together. Got shoes on. Really been fun. It is so warm in this. It's 23 out right now, I think. It is so warm in this tent. You wouldn't think it because you can see that it's blowing. It's not like blistering hot or anything. But when you get in a sleeping bag and you're tucked underneath there, yeah, real warm. Had I just brought a pad underneath me, man, it would have been so much different. But let's see what the outside is like. So this is the first blizzard of 2026, and we successfully camped out into it. It did have me half of my little Debbie cake. I'm a little hungry. And yeah, that was fun. So peaceful. Probably wouldn't put it underneath the tree again. I may have to move that. All I can hear is the creaking and the clunking of the wood. That was something different. I wouldn't imagine seeing that again. Alright, here goes. You can see the crystals on the on the tent itself. I'm gonna leave my sleeping bag in here for now. You can see, oh my goodness, the snow has pushed up against the tent. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna close the tent up. That's a good, that's good 4 inches right there, easily. Just looking at the tractor tire. Well, that was fun, and I'll do this again. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.